Filipino farmers, we care for our countrymen, and we care for you too, our beloved members ng Kapitiang Club. This is why we see to it na ang aroma, taste, ingredients of our coffee, we're truly proud to say, is world-class. Through Kapitiang Club, we foster a sense of patriotism and nationalism. And more importantly, yung pinaka-slogan ko namin dito, happy ka na, healthy ka ba? We wish you more blessings and the best of luck in this newly opened branch of Kapayapa sa San Jose, Mindoro. Rest assured po that we at the head office of Kapayapa will always be available to support you and see that your branch will achieve its utmost success. Maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay ng mensahe ngayon dito.